Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing good. Are you curious to learn how to swap your face with any AI image? In this video I will tell you how to do this in very easy ways, so don't go anywhere, stick to the video and learn how to do this. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Bing image creator. I told you in the previous video how you can create account on the Bing, and I will give you the link below so you can create if you don't have. Now I will go to the search option and there is the option images. I will click on it and go to the create button. Now we will give the prompt here. You can make the changes accordingly, whatever you want. You are a boy or a girl, you can type a girl sitting on a social media logo, Facebook, wearing orange color dress. The background is a mock-up of her YouTube profile page with the profile name Crowdbiz and a profile picture with the soft light reflection. Now we will press the create button and it will give 4 images to you. While it's generating the images, so you go to the subscribe button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the latest video notification. Now we got 4 pictures here. We check one by one. Sometimes it not give exact result as we want, but this one is a very cool image, so you can change your face with this. Now we will download this image. We can check other images too. There is the girl face is not showing or not clear, and this is also not clear, but you can also regenerate these images. So now we will go to another app. We will go there is an app, Remaker.io. We will go to this and there are 3 options: face swap, multiple face swap and video face swap. Go this option and there are 2 images. We will upload the original image here, and the second one you will upload your image from which you want to change the face. I will upload here an actress image. Now we will press the swap button and it will magically change the face. By pressing the download button you will just got the image in your profile without any watermark. I hope you like this tutorial and you try it with differently. As you can see, the result is amazing. The image is converted with our face, as you can see. So this is how you can change the AI image with your face and try it differently. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.